Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Active Max, and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps on this watch. So if you want to change the straps on your watch, first you will need to remove the old ones, of course, and to do that you need to grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of your watch you will see that on each strap you have this lever you can pull on, basically. And how it works is quite simple. You basically pull on it, which allows you to pull out the strap from the watch. Let me try to pull on it. I don't know if it's going to be easy because it's a bit kinda not accessible. Oh, let's call it like that. But let's try to pull on it, and once you pull on it, it will let you to pull out the strap. It's quite simple. If you just manage to grab the lever, you can pull on it to release the strap like this. And this mechanism is quite simple. Basically, you have a pin on each side of the strap, hole on each side of the watch, one here and one here. And basically those pins are locked in the hole, or holes rather, on the watch. And once you pull on the lever, it will retract the pin on this side. And once it retracts, basically allows you to pull out the strap from the watch. And here we have our straps and our watch separately. Let me show them like this. And once you get new straps and you want to get them on your watch, it's quite simple as well. You basically grab your watch, grab the strap, you take the pin on the opposite side of the lever and you insert it on the hole, into a hole on the watch like this. Then you pull on this lever to retract the pin, and then you just need to align the pin with the hole and release it, and it will click in, and once it does, it will hold. Quite simple. Same on the other side. So insert the pin on one side. Come on, like this. Pull on the lever. I don't know if you can see it. Pull on the lever. Come on. I swear it's not that hard. I'm just struggling with it. Okay, pull on the lever. You adjust or align it with the hole, release it, and it will click in. And once it does, it basically will lock in. And I swear it's easier than it looks. I just struggle with it sometimes. And basically that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.